a train, it says choo-choo. Rolling on the tracks, it flew. Climb aboard and take your seat. Tap your toes and feel the beat. Ride, ride, ride the train. Through the sunshine, through the rain. Toot-toot here, toot-toot there. Choo-choo train goes everywhere. Up the hill and down we go. Nice and steady, not too slow. Count the cars, 1, 2, 3. Wave to everyone you see. Ride, ride, ride the train. Through the sunshine, through the rain. Toot-toot here, toot-toot there. Choo-choo train goes everywhere. The train slows down, we're at the end. Thanks for riding, little friend.
Like, comment, and share the fun. And don't forget to subscribe to Happy Notes Kids for more music and smiles every week.